Today you will be taking the post-assessment for alternative energy and fossil fuels. Please make sure to circle the correct answer clearly and to check that you have answered all questions at the end of this test. Take a moment and go ahead and write your name on the test. Question number 1. Dams built to regulate the flow of water are important to which type of alternative energy resource? A. Biofuels. B. Hydroelectricity. C. Geothermal. D. Fossil fuels. Number 2. The poster shown below advertises tours of a power plant. This power plant produces electricity, most likely using, so take a look at the power plant. I'm going to read the insert here. Visit the power plant. We have enough cheap energy to last thousands of years. Our energy does not pollute the air. Here's how it works. There's the power plant, cold water into the well, water flowing through hot rocks underground, steam from the well nearby. So I'll read number 2 again. The poster shown below advertises tours of a power plant. This power plant produces electricity most likely by using A. Fossil fuels, B. Biofuels, C. Solar energy, D. Geothermal energy. Question number 3. One of the advantages of alternative energy resources over fossil fuels is that alternative energy resources A. do not affect the environment, B. have no cost to people who use them, C. are easily available everywhere on Earth, D. are renewable and so are less likely to run out. Question number 4. The features of 2 groups of natural resources are listed here. Fossil fuels are considered non-renewable resources because of which feature? Natural resources. Renewable resources are found on Earth, made by processes in nature, useful to humans, formation takes 100 years or less. Non-renewable resources, supplied by the planet, produced by natural processes, people use the resource, formation takes millions of years. Fossil fuels are considered non-renewable resources because of which feature? A. Where they come from. B. How they are produced. C. How useful they are. D. How long they take to form. Question number 5. Several layers of sedimentary rock are illustrated. They are in the same order as when they first formed. Which layer formed first? A. Rock layer W. B. Rock layer X. C. Rock layer Y. Or D. Rock layer Z. Question number 6. Many cities are taking actions to cause less harm to the environment. Which action produces energy from an alternative source? A. Burning coal to heat homes. B. Replacing lawns with plants that are required less water. C. Using biofuels to generate electricity. D. Building a new water treatment plant to improve water quality. Question 7. Biofuels are alternative energy resources generated from A. Moving air, B. Plants and animals, C. Buried minerals, D. Molten rock. Question number 8. Corn, wheat, soybeans can be made into a substance called ethanol. In some places, ethanol is part of a mixture used to power cars and trucks. What type of alternative energy resource is ethanol? A. Hydroelectric, B. Geothermal, C. Biofuel, D. Solar. Question number 9. Solar energy is considered an alternative energy resource because it A. is produced by processes on the sun. B. can take the place of fossil fuels. C. is always present on Earth. D. provides Earth with light and heat. Number 10. All of the following are an alternative energy resource except A. biofuels, B. geothermal, C. hydroelectric, D. coal. Number 11. In addition to long periods of time, all of the following are necessary for the formation of fossil fuels, except A. extreme heat, B. organic matter, C. fresh water, D. intense pressure. Question number 12. What conditions in an ancient environment would make it suitable to the formation of fossil fuels? A. movement of surface water causing weathering of rock. B. frequent volcanic eruptions and forest fires. C. extremes in high and low temperatures during the day. D. abundant plant life and rapid laying down of sediments. Question number 13. A student creates a model of the formation of fossil fuels by first placing a layer of leaves representing organic matter in the bottom of a cup. What step will come next in the model? A. pouring water over the leaves to model washing away by rivers. B. adding sand on top of the leaves to model burial in sediments. C. turning the leaves to model the decay of the organic matter. D. putting the leaves in the freezer to model conditions on top of mountains. Question number 14. Which of the following is a process that creates the sediments that form sedimentary rock? A. wind, water, and ice breaking into smaller pieces. B. heat from the earth melting rock below the surface. C. volcanoes. Okay, please forgive me, my phone rang. So let's start with question number 14. Which of the following is a process that creates the sediments that form sedimentary rock? A. wind, water, and ice breaking rock into smaller pieces. B. heat from the earth melting rock below the surface. C. volcanoes putting out lava that cools to form new rock. D. continents pushing together to fold layers of rock. Question number 15. The characteristics of 4 different areas are displayed in the table below. Based on the conditions needed for the formation of fossil fuels, which area is most likely to have fossil fuels present today? Area A. The age of the oldest rock is 10,000 years. The major type of rock is sedimentary. The ancient environment was a river basin. Prevalence of plants long ago means there was only some plants. Area B, 200 million years ago. That's the age of the oldest rocks. Major rock type is sedimentary. The ancient environment was ocean, and long ago there was many plants. Area C, age of the oldest rock is 120 million years. No, 120,000 years old. The major rock type is volcanic. The ancient environment was an island, and long ago there were many plants. Area D, 300 million years old rocks. The major rock type is sedimentary. The ancient environment is desert, and the prevalence of plants long ago was few. The characteristics of 4 different areas are displayed in the table below. Based on the conditions needed for the formation of fossil fuels, which area is most likely to have fossil fuels present today? Question number 16. Oil formation occurs where millions of years ago there were large oceans. This is because oceans have A. Waves that are constantly moving. B. Great numbers of tiny marine animals. C. Currents that mix the water thoroughly. D. Deep caverns where no light can reach. Please make sure you have circled all of your answers. You can always go back and replay me reading the questions if you need to have a repeat. Be careful and make sure all of your strategies are present before turning in your test.